I'd like to share some tips about using cast iron cookware with you that I've picked up over the years. Don't stack your cast iron until it's completely dry. Don't soak cast iron in water. Don't use steel wool on cast iron unless you're preparing to reseason it and trying to get a little bit of rust off. Don't use unseasoned cast iron because it can completely ruin the skillet, so it can never be used. It has to be seasoned before it's used. Don't cook high acid foods such as spaghetti sauce in cast iron because that can ruin the finish. Do use cast iron frequently. The finish gets better and better the more you use it. Do wash cast iron immediately after it's used, while it's still warm, preferably. And you can use soap. Many people say you shouldn't use soap on cast iron, but it's all right to use soap and water. Do reseason your cast iron if it starts sticking or if it has a bit of rust on it, or if it has a buildup. And I want to show you this one that someone gave me recently. It's got a buildup of grease and oils on it. So I've got to work on that, try to get that off, and then reseason. And my last suggestion is that you take care of your cast iron and pass it on to the next generation of cooks in your family, because cast iron, if taken care of properly, will last indefinitely for many generations. Thanks for stopping by.